That is my cable line. So you know how your cable line usually smaller than your pinky? It's real bitty?
Yeah.
Like a 1/4 inch? Well, the 1/4 inch would not carry a signal to my house. So that is the size wire that they ran all the way to my house.
What I learned is that's called attenuation.
A who?
Attenuation. Starts off like a really strong signal, right? But every so many feet, the signal drops.
Well,
That
same as the size wire we talked about, because every foot, you know, if you got a number 12 wire, which is a real small wire, so you put a number 12 wire and it's designed to carry 20 amps.
Right.
But if you put 20 amps and you run it 300 feet, the load on that right there will diminish the electricity in there probably about 30% if you put a bigger load on it. And it's just not gonna do what you need to do. If you're gonna run it a long distance, you have to upsize that wire. Same thing with the cable, same thing with electric, everything. You gotta upsize the wire. That's why they're coming off at whatever the voltage is on that wire. So apparently that's a 25,000 volt wire at the top, because it's KVA, that's the KVA on the generator. So if there's 25,000 volts there, that's 25,000 volts over there, and then they drop it down there.
Gotcha.
What we talked about earlier.
Yeah.
That is just a creative way to be able to do it.
Get power and electric and
Yeah, it's just creative. I mean, how do you do it? Everybody just quits. I bought this land for $160,000, and I bought it for $160,000 because nobody would buy it because they couldn't understand how to get power back here. They couldn't understand how to get water back there. They couldn't understand how to do anything.
That.
It's just too much for people. But you got to learn how to just think outside that box. I mean, and you just think outside.
And fit within your budget.
Absolutely.